Hello there. Today we're gonna use some different type of paint. It is called Americana Multi-Surface Satin, and it comes in many different colors. And let's tell you, the colors that we have today are buff beige, then we have shrimp, we have turquoise waters, cobalt, and we have chic. 5 colors. Look how pretty these colors are. Okay, so I put about very small amount. It's maybe like half an inch. This is a 5 ounces cup. And now I'm gonna put 2 parts of the DecoArt Pouring medium. DecoArt Pouring medium. I always put it in this container because it is easier to pour when you have it in this container. I have some link for this type of container on the description for the video. So I'm gonna put about 2 parts of these. These paints are creamier and thicker than the Americana, so that's why I'm using them. I am expecting better results with these ones. Look how creamy they are, and they are already perfect consistency. And I use 2 parts of the DecoArt Pouring medium and 1 part of paint. And now I'm gonna finish mixing all this. I'm gonna put some spot on. And today we're gonna be pouring differently. Two drops. Okay. Seven ounces cup. I will need to prepare some white to put on the outside around this. I am preparing white with the DecoArt Americana Snow White because I don't have enough paint in my cup for 10 ounces. I like to use 10 ounces of paint when I am using a 10 by 10 inches canvas. So I am putting this so that I can put it around my pour, and I'm gonna do a flick cup just because I want to be consistent with the type of pour that I'm doing, because I'm using new type of paints. And then I'm gonna then later on do a different type of pour, but this time it's gonna be a flick cup because I want to see how these things will go with this type of pour. Oh, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. So pretty. Okay, so let's So this shows you that you can use this type of paints. Let's move it this way. Corner. Okay, so this is the end results with this type of paints, and I think you should get them. They're very good for this type of painting. Gonna put it in here so that they grow. I'm not going to torch again, I'm just gonna leave it like this. This turned out very pretty. Very pretty. Although there are some cells in there, you cannot tell them. So I am going to enhance it and try to enhance those lines so that you can see the cells also in there. So I will do it and I will bring it and show it to you. So this is the final result. What I did was only darken the lines that were already in there. I didn't add any new lines, just darken a tiny bit the lines that were there so that it looks better. So I hope you like what we did. I really like the shape of the of the cells that formed with this pouring medium with this type of paint. So get these paints. They're called DecoArt Americana Multi-Surface Satin, and they come in many colors. Before I go, I want to explain to you something. One of the things with the DecoArt Pouring medium is that you get great cells with it, and I don't know if you can tell how pretty the look it has. It has not been varnished, but with the DecoArt Pouring medium you don't have to varnish your pieces because they come already with a very pretty shine, unless you need the varnish to protect them, and then you can buy the DecoArt top coat. But I'm gonna show you the difference. This one, see, it's not as shiny because this one was done with glue. You see the type of cells are not as good as the one that you get with the DecoArt Pouring medium. See, the DecoArt Pouring medium, you get gray cells. Let me show you. Look at these ones. And with this one is with the glue. You still get cells. It is not as shiny. You see, it doesn't have the shine. It's more matte. When you use glue with these paints. See? Unless you were using the premium, which already have some luster, these paints are satin, so it doesn't have any shine. So if you want to have that shine, you need to use the DecoArt Pouring medium. It's fabulous. Okay, so I'm gonna show you in here what colors are on that line of the DecoArt Surface Satin. And let me show you, this is the catalog from last year, and it was all about pouring. It had many new products about pouring. That's when they got the pouring medium and the top coat. So now, this is the one for this year, and I'm gonna find all the colors that you have on that satin. Okay, so this is the DecoArt Multi-Surface Satin, and it has 3 pages in the catalog. These are some of the colors. Then you turn the page and you get more colors in there. They're very pretty colors. They also have some metallics. So they're very pretty colors. Get them. Thank you for joining me again. Please come back for more. Put here the one that I am showcasing in this video and show you the sides. I think I'm gonna put it this way.